오늘도 정말 이렇게 2년 만에 환대해 주시고 뜨거운 사랑도 해주셔서
Thank you so much that I've been here actually in 2 years. And yan, napakainit ng inyong pagtanggap sa akin. Your warm welcome.
너무 감사드리고 한 해 한 해 지날수록 이렇게 무한한 사랑을 주는 게 얼만큼 대단한 건지 새삼 깨닫게 되고
I really want to thank all of you, and I do realize that every year, each year that passes by, this unconditional love that you're giving me, it really means a lot.
그 힘으로 제가 조금 더 좋은 사람이 되기 위해 노력하는 것 같고 또 그 힘으로 배우로서 아주 여러 감정들을 잘 다룰 수 있는 배우가 되도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
And with that love you have given me unconditionally, it really makes me be a better person, also a better actor, to portray a better role for all of you, and it really encourages me a lot.
기다. 감사합니다.
Thank you so much once again, Year Minho! Alright! Amazing, but sadly, it's time for us to wrap up our journey through Minhoverse. So to remember this moment together, shall we take a group photo? Okay, would you like to stay there? And maybe call our photographer. Alright! Let's do this!
Welcome to the Philippines, Minho. Opa Minho, welcome back to Manila. Hello Minho, welcome back to Manila. Welcome back to Manila. I'm Young Minho, welcome back to the Philippines. I'm Minho Shi, welcome back to Manila.
Hi Minho, welcome back to Manila.
Hello Minho, welcome back to Manila.
Hello Minho, welcome back to Manila.
Hello Minho, welcome back to Manila.
Hello, Minashi. Hope you're having a great time in Manila. No words can express how happy I am to see you again. And of course, your Filipinos are very excited too. Let's pray that you can represent the Minhoverse family. See you!
I am your Lactic fan from Philippines, but I am currently working in PSA. Hope to see you soon. Wishing you all the good things and good health.
Hi, Minho! This is Ajay Cara. I didn't have the chance to get close to you when I was in Malaysia, so this time, I wish I could. Thank you so much for inspiring me, and see ya!
Hello! My Minho. Tagal ka namin hindi na finally, you're here na ulit. Thank you for sharing this special moment with us. We'll cherish this forever.
Hi, Minho. We're so glad that you're finally back here in Manila, Philippines.
Hi, Minho! Welcome back to Manila! You're not just an actor that I look up to, but my safe haven where I find peace and happiness. Thank you for being my light during my darkest times and supporting me through your music and news. Thank you for inspiring us, and Filipinos will always be there to support you. Saranghae! 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 Mahal ko kayo. Saranghae!
Saranghae!
Filipino Minos!
감동입니다, 감동.
It's really touching.
Okay, so guys, maraming salamat sa lahat ng gumawa at nag-participate sa video na yon. But would you like